Hey, my name is Brett, and I'm here to show you how to get started with Salesforce Free Suite. When you first sign up, you're going to see this quick setup survey that asks you what you're interested in. And this is going to help with the recommendations that you're going to see on Free Suite as you get started and onboarded. Now that you're in Free Suite, you'll see the homepage dashboard that includes these cards that show a snapshot into your leads, contacts, opportunities, and more. This will fill out as you bring data into Free Suite, and it can show you whatever's most important to you and your business. At the top, you'll have these recommended suggestions for how to get started. These are recommended based on what you picked in the setup survey, and you can easily see all suggestions for quick walkthroughs into Free Suite's features. Let's start with the first one for how to set up a contact. Free Suite's walkthroughs will show you where your data lives in Salesforce and how to add it in. For a new contact, you'll need to add their first and last name and then know which account they're associated with. If you haven't added an account before, you can quickly do so here too. You can see that there's a lot of information that can be added to an account and contact, including details like addresses, email, and phone numbers. These are all key pieces of information about your customers that make CRM easier to manage than your typical spreadsheet and enables you to do more with that data, whether that's managing a sales cycle with them, working through a support issue, or connecting with them through email marketing, all things that you can do in Free Suite. With your first contact and account set up, you'll see what we call a record page. Here's where you can see all of the related data, including any sales opportunities or service cases to manage. This is just the first taste of what Free Suite has to offer, and the great news is that it's easy to try for yourself and always free.